It is Monday morning and it's great fabrics. Great fabrics. And we'll start with this great white. And when I say great, it's because you can put your hand behind it and not see through it. And it has stretch in both directions. This is a great white. So perfect for leggings, for anything, but especially leggings, capri leggings for the summer, because you can't see through it. It's just wonderful. Stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. Then we have 100% viscose. Isn't that adorable to go with it? I love this. 100% viscose Italian, stretch in both directions. And it's just pretty. It's a pretty color. Goes with the hot pink, which is next. This, we had a hot pink, but it was a little bit different shade. So this hot pink kind of goes with this just really nicely. Stretch in both directions, a cotton poly. We're doing all of these at $12.99, just an FYI, today and tomorrow. And look at this. This is a great piece to go between it because it goes with the hot pink, but it also goes with this deeper purple, or it's not a purple, but anyway. This is a Paisley. It is 100% cotton, so very lightweight. It's a woven, perfect for a little blouse, summer pants. All of that goes well together. This is a Scuba. It has stretch in both directions. Really pretty color. Love the color. Look at that. It's the same color as a little dragonfly over there. Magenta, I think that. I don't know which color that is, but it's really pretty. And then we have this. This is stretch in both directions. We had this dragonfly. We had it. We sold out of it like so quickly. So I called the guy and I said, "Do you have another roll of that print?" It just really went fast, and he did. He had one more roll. So that's the end of it. But this is a cotton poly, stretch in both directions. Great drape on this. Scuba, 100% cotton poly, 100% viscose, and this beautiful white. And you can see the white goes all the way over to the dragon. So the whole goal was to mix and match all of these so that they really, you can create whatever you wanted to. And have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.